A 5-year-old boy from Nueva Ecija is winning hearts online after a touching video showed him using sign language to communicate with his deaf mother. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayao has this story.
A 5-year-old boy from Nueva Ecija has touched the hearts of Filipinos online after he was seen using sign language to communicate with his deaf mother. According to his aunt, the viral video was never intended for social media. She says she simply recorded the moment through their home CCTV after their relatives noticed how Jacob naturally communicates with his parents.
Jacob po kasi both parents na po is deaf. So, pareho pong may hard of hearing, and then yung about po dun sa viral video na pinost ko, parang nakatuwaan ko lang po na i-record sa CCTV. Siyempre, since mabilis po yung kamay, hindi makasunod, so hindi namin maintindihan. So, ayun po, nakatuwaan lang po i-record.
With both of his parents deaf, Jacob was introduced to sign language as early as 4 months old, continuing to hone his skills as he grew up.
Si Jacob po is very expressive po kasi siyang bata. Since hindi naman nakakarinig kasi yung magulang niya, sa kanya na po mismo nanggaling na sobrang love daw po niya yung parents niya, kaya nag-aral din siya ng sign language.
But growing up between the deaf and hearing communities also comes with challenges. During school activities, his grandmother would often accompany Jacob, helping his family communicate with teachers.
Ang pinaka-struggle lang dyan is, halimbawa kapag lalabas po silang family o kaya sa school, kasi kailangan syempre, halimbawa may mga meeting po yung magulang, yung setup namin is kailangan kasama pa rin yung lola ni Jacob, kasama pa rin kung nakakapagsalita or nakakarinig na adult.
Today, Jacob has become the bridge between his parents and the world around them, patiently translating stories one sign at a time.
One time, kasi di ba pag CCTV pwede kang magsalita. So one time po nakita ko lang silang dalawang magnanay na nakaupo. Kinausap ko po si Jacob doon sa CCTV. So nagkukwento ako, tapos ang ginawa niya po, tinranslate niya kung ano yung naririnig niya doon sa mother niya. So para lang maintindihan ng mother niya kung ano sinasabi ko sa CCTV, ayun, sign language na po. So yun, parang, ayun, very touching lang din po.
And with the video out online, the family hopes Jacob's story continue to inspire others, reminding people that love can be expressed in more ways than one. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayao, we are One News.